Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered how popular videos rank so well and get so many views? One secret is tags. In this video I will show you how to extract tags from any YouTube video using a completely free tool and how you can use those tags to grow your own channel faster. Tag help YouTube understand what your video is about. While title and thumbnail get all the attention, tags still matter for discoverability, especially for small or new channel. They can help you show up in search results and related video next to content in your niche. But here's the problem. YouTube does not show tags publicly. That's why a tag extractor can be such a game changer. So let me introduce you to the YouTube Tag Extractor Tool. It is a simple tool that let you copy the hidden tag using any public YouTube video. Just paste the link and boom, the tag appears instantly. No sign up, no annoying ads, 100% free. So let's do a live demo so you can see how fast and easy this is. I am heading over to the site. The site is in description. Now I will grab the link of a trending video. Let's take this one right here. I will paste the link into the input box and then click extract tags and look at that. Here all the tags that video is using. You can copy them with one click or pick the one that are most relevant to your own content. Want to use them on your own upload? Just head on to the YouTube studio, go to a YouTube setting and paste the tags in the tag section under more option. Let's say you are making a video about video editing tips. You could search YouTube for similar video, copy their URL and extract their tags using this tool. Then you take the most relevant tags and add them to your own video. This way your video has a better chance of appearing next to there in the suggested video section, meaning more eyeball and more potential subscriber. Quick tip for using tags smartly. Don't just copy all the tags, use the one that actually match your content. Mix broad and specific tag for better targeting. Combining this tool with keyword tool like TubeBuddy or vidIQ for even better SEO. Always stay relevant. Misleading tags can hurt your video in the long run. So that's how you can spy on YouTube tags, boost your video SEO and grow your channel, all with just a simple tool. Try it out today at the link below. If you found this useful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe and tap the bell for more YouTube growth. Have any question about YouTube tags or YouTube SEO? Drop them in comment. I will be answering them personally. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.